Hey fans, it's Andrew Potocznik and I'm back for another Cool Tool Tuesday. Today's cool tool is the Sherwood SWG250. It's a whetstone sharpening system. What makes it different to other grinding systems? It has a bath down here filled with water so that as the stone revolves, it is wet and it helps to keep your tools cool while you're sharpening them. And it runs at a slow speed. And why am I telling you about all this? Because I can sharpen turning tools on it. You've seen me talk about bench grinders before, but what makes this machine different to the others? Well, there are lots of different things, and it can be adapted to all sorts of different grinding situations. In fact, it can be used to do so many different things. You can grind axes, you can grind scissors, you can grind kitchen knives, short knives, long knives, and there's always a jig to help you do it. As you can see, I'm in the shaping stage of sharpening this tool, so I need this stone to be pretty rough and coarse. So this is where this tool is quite cool. Let me show you something. If I put my safety glasses on, turn the grinder on, and take this stone, which has a rough side and a smooth side, I can dress the stone and change its coarseness. So I can now make it into a fairly coarse stone, which will grind faster. And then later, when I'm ready just to sharpen, flip this over and change it to a fine stone. And that'll save me on steel. And I reckon that's pretty cool. This little bar here does a couple of different things. For starters, I used it to grind the tool on the stone. Then, if I want to get an ultra sharp finish on the edge, I can move to the stropping wheel. So all I do is loosen these two nuts here, flip the jig over. There's a locating nut here that makes it slip just into the position that I want it to, and lock the nuts in place. When the guide bar is set up on this side, you can use the honing wheel or the strop to get that extra fine edge on your tools. You can then flip the item over and slip it into these holes over here so that for certain jigs that need a different angle of approach, you can still work safely. If you've done your homework and had a look at other machines on the market, you'll find that some of them do get rather expensive. So what makes this one cool? The price tag. Just have a look how it compares to the price of some of the others. So for more information on the Sherwood SWG250 Wetstone Sharpening System, click on the links below and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'm Andrew Potocznik and I'm out of here. See ya.